if you are not feeding well, if you know they eat well, you no go sabi knack kpekos. You go just see kpekos before you. Your lion will refuse to rise because you are be feeding on what you're not supposed to feed. You are be eating what you're not supposed to eat. The problem I have with some of you is that when you see videos about food that enhances your knacking performance, that makes you to be able to grimoire, that makes you to be able to handle a woman weller in the other room, you will not watch those kind of videos to the end. It is where that shaking ya, shaking this, those are the kind of videos you're always interested in. As a man, if you don't understand the things of the other room, my darling, now another person where you know even expect someone that is not up to you, now that person go to eat the food you're supposed to eat. And for you to be able to know how to do the things of the other room perfect as a man that you are, my darling, your diet is very, very important. Your diet play 99.5% of your knacking performance in the other room. If you want to know how to grimoire very well in the other room, number one food you should always be consuming is oyster. Oyster is very, very rich in iron. Okay, it's very, very rich in iron and zinc. And any food that is rich in iron and zinc, my darling, do not joke with it. You see the work of iron and zinc, they help blood to flow through your cucumber. By so doing, it will make your cucumber erect and refuse to fall. Even though you don't go round one, my darling, it will still stand, getting ready to do the round two. After that round two, is still ready to ready to do round three again. So tell me how you go grimoire a woman 3 times that she go carry your food go give another man. She will never dare it because you are man enough, because you sabi wash plate join, you sabi the things of the other room. No woman, no man go share that your kpekos with you. Do you hear me? It's very, very good for testosterone production and sperm health, and dopamine, which is the neurotransmitter that stimulates pleasure and desire. So tell me why you no go grimoire very well. Tell me why your woman go carry your food go give another man when you sabi, when you are eating the kind of diet you're supposed to eat. If you don't know what is oyster, that is oyster on your screen. Is that taking? Number 2 food you should not joke with if you want to know how to grimoire very well in the other room is spinach. We are all common with spinach, vegetable, tete, ugu, whatever. All those things are called spinach. They are called vegetable. My darling, feed on vegetable because these are rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay, they are rich in vitamins and minerals. All the kerewa style you sabi do am, you are fit. Any style at all, you are capable. Whatever at all you are. Tell me why she no go scream your name 10 million times. She's gonna scream your name. You see spinach, vegetable, punky, tete, any kind of vegetable, any kind of veggies at all. They are very rich in folates, which are very, very good for sperm production and fertility. And it also contains ions, vital for healthy red blood cells and oxygen delivering. Is that taken? So as a woman, if you are listening to the sound of my voice, if your husband know they grimoire you very well, if your husband know they nakilolo you the way you want to, if your husband has never once satisfy you as a woman in the other room, my darling, you see what is called oyster, spinach, punkio, any kind of veggies at all, please let those kind of food be the kind of food you are preparing for your husband. Do you understand? Number 3 food is fattening fish. Fattening fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, and any food that is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, my darling, it is heart healthy and blood flow, and also it helps in hormone regulations. Okay, these fish are rich in vitamin D, which is important for testosterone production and overall health. Somebody might be asking, what are the example of fatty fish? You see your Titus, your mackerel, yes, is an example of what? Of fatty fish. Even your shower, your kote, your any kind of fish at all, they are all rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Any fish at all that you can lay your hands on, my darling, they are all rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and they help in heart health, blood flow, and also for hormone regulations. And they also contains vitamin D that is important for testosterone production and overall health. The last but not the least is dark chocolate. Okay, dark chocolate contains what is called flavonoid, an antioxidant that improve blood flow and boost nitrite oxide. Also a natural mood booster elevator that stimulates desires. Yes, the reason why you see some men that they are not always in the mood, it is because they are not eating food that are rich in dark chocolate. Do you understand me? Always remember that a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are essential for maintaining sexual health. Therefore, these foods may have potential benefits, but individuals' results may vary. Okay, individuals' results may vary. So if you are a woman that you discover that your husband has not really been doing well in the other room, has not really been performing well sexually, you see spinach, you see dark chocolate, and you also see fatty fish and oyster, my darling, always accompany or garnish your partner food with those 4 foods. Trust me, do, and you will be the one even complaining, daddy, I am tired, daddy, enough of nakilulu, I want to take a break. Do you understand me? This actually brings us to the end of this video. If you do get value, my darling, do where to hit the subscription bell to join the family. And if you're my returning subscriber, God bless you. I still remain till I come again next time. Bye.
Snowflakes are dancing, let's feel the cheer. Rhoda-b TV's here, and it's that time of year. Laughing so merry.